You guys ready? Yeah! Parker, is it good? Parker, is it good? I'm going. Woo! There's no way I would get annihilated. Parker, let's make it to that middle barricade straight ahead. Yeah, straight ahead. Okay, ready? Parker, we gotta go. You go down low, I'll go to the middle one, okay? You go to that white one, you won't get shot. Really? Where is... Oh, I see him! Who's in the blue? Okay, I'm gonna get up to... Oh, God, my ankle, the thing is twisted. Yeah, it's really sketchy. Should we shoot that kid?
Isaac, on our team, get over here.
Let's shoot him. Let's shoot him. Okay, oh, they're moving forward, they're moving forward. Get down, get down, get down. Okay, I'm gonna screw him.
Isaac, come over here. You're not gonna get shot.
Get up there.
Isaac, hurry. On the way. Get over here.
Give me some cover fire, bro. Go up there. Go up there.
Wait. I want to see. Wait. I want to see how.
Shoot something.
What?
Do you charge it? Do you put the battery in?
It's on safety. Oh.
Okay, screw it. Come on, Parker. I don't know where everybody is. They're trying to shoot me. I don't know where they are. They're way back there. Hey, bomb rush it to that next barrier ahead. Look at that dumbass. Keep on going!
No, stay right there. Okay, go to the right.
Go to the right. Give me automatic cover fire. I see him. Straight ahead to the left of the blue, 30 yards back. Justin, where are you? Is it in your room? Okay. Holy! Oh wow, the only one was a dud. They're moving the barrier! No one's coming for you! No one's coming for you! You got him? Well, you got him in your sights? There's a fire! Justin!
Justin, you idiot. There's the GoPro.
Kick dirt on it. Make sure.
How big was it? It was like